Hi, I'm Realtor Dawn Ezold, and that's right, I'm back with another new listing. This one is 7 Booth Street in Enfield. Let's head in. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions at all or are wondering what your home might be worth, feel free to contact me at the number below. I'll see you at the next one.